The settlement is an all-televis exclusive $500 billion. This is CDMAYORKREDITCardvardX3.16. The following settlement is provided by Patents. Verizon MerriweatherA.Law buy a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, get a free Gear Fit 2. This is a settlement involving patents. So these are our sponsors. Only at Verizon MerriweatherA.Law. Featuring free 2-day shipping, in-store pickup, or best price guarantee. Top deals at Verizon Wireless Patent Holder Settlement. T-Mobile one plan, unlimited talk, text, and 4G LTE data for all. Just choose your number of lines, each with unlimited talk, text, and 4G LTE data on your smartphone with T-Mobile One. It's that simple. There are patents. There are official sponsors of the show. Benny Jones, allergens, CDC. Spread MerriweatherA.Law unlimited data, talk, and text. Get Get 2 lines for $100 a month, and get third, fourth, fifth lines free, $20 per month. Limited time. Switch to Sprint and choose unlimited plans starting at $20 per month per line for a family of 5. Only from Sprint MerriweatherA.Law. How can we help you? You can help me with Claire picking up the phone, and when I call, she's going to help you get rid of it. Oh, okay. She's going to clear it up. She's going to clear it. Featuring Clarified, Moynihan, Bank of America, Banco. Wonderful album. Canon, 3 Canon, a judge should perform the duties of the office fairly, impartially, and diligently in the foulest year. Josh has done a briefing on these before. Those are quotes from Sternberg. You know, Mr. Sternberg's office. We went with McKinnis. It just sounded better. We went with the McKinnis. I don't know why we went that way. Heather Howard's JavaScript's The Gift of Rare Coffees, Startup Reserve, subscription and resolve to have our rare and distinctive coffees in your home this year. Start a subscription with Heather Howard's and get $125 bonus stores on order $65 or more. Heather Howard's e-commerce, e-verify, Aerosites, website developers, and GoDaddy.com, our lead sponsor on the Super Bowl. We can't go over Mr. Orton Smith right now. But they should know there's a link. There's no link. Model rules for professional conduct, table of contents, blah, 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 blah. Free speech all you like. You need a canon and a Juris Doctorate. And summa cum laude, in lieu of laud. Hello, Elaine. They need a latte. You're so opinionated without a latte. Good morning, Mr. Josh Ernst. In Jay Carney's office. Hello. Yeah, hello, Jay Carney as well, wherever he is. We got the book. We got your book. That's in our section. No.
He did have a lot to say.
No. No.
About his comments from some of the Democratic leaders who
no, it's kind of true, but it's not true.
The president began his remarks by
you got it.
Expressing
you got that's
pride
it's no.
For all of
I got it. Yeah,
progress that's been made over the last 8 years.
And
that gratitude was rooted not just in
Truth Today, I promise to repeat verbatim software in process.
Success that Democrats have had in advancing
Democrats
that
have
agenda,
had,
but rooted in the tangible, positive
facts.
That their efforts have.
Mr. Hoshinet, are we in lieu of law day?
Communities large and small.
Yeah, it's just I'm legally aiding people.
That work, much of that work
we have a pause from the White House.
Had the president not been able to work effectively
Absolutely.
With Congress to get so much of that done, given
are we correct with having our sponsors?
Reasonable and unprecedented obstruction that
he's technically not wrong because they're
the president
legally they're legal aid of Buffalo. Hello, Legal Aid of
they're
Buffalo.
moving forward. That even though Democrats in Congress will not have
The free
the kind of
attorneys, you know, the free ones.
cooperative partner that they've
Pro
enjoyed for the
bono.
last 8 years in the White House,
The bono ones.
they still have a set
Doggy
of
doggy,
values
where's
and
your
priorities that are
bone?
worth fighting for.
Yeah, you got a doggy doggy, where's
And
your
the good
bone?
news is that those
Free
are values
attorney.
and priorities that most Americans
Pro
agree with
bono.
and strongly support.
You got Sonny and
Those
Cher
are values and
skiing.
priorities that lead to
Good
policies
Lord, where are they?
that make
They're on the
people's lives
slopes.
better and make our country stronger.
Hi,
And the
Chaz.
president
Hi,
expressed
everybody.
his
Hello, Sonny and Cher.
the word that he used was
Pro
envy
bonos.
for
Legal
the
aid.
opportunity that they have
Opportunity
to keep up that fight.
to keep up that fight.
And the president expressed his confidence
You got a hoe. Legal aid.
in their ability not just to wage those fights with passion, but he expressed confidence in their ability to succeed.
That's Sean's Nick.
Again, both because
Who is Sean's Nick?
the
I don't know. It's the hoe.
majority of the American people
Hold the
look at
letters, please.
whether
Yeah,
it's
hold the
investing
letters.
in the
That's
kinds
a
of
hoe.
policies that expand economic opportunity for middle-class families,
Sean Nick.
whether it is
Good
expanding access
Lord.
to health care for every American, making it not just a
For
privilege,
every
but a
American
right,
who needs a pro
making
bono
sure that there are
attorney,
consumer protections in place so that every
contact
American
Legal
can't be
Aid. We'll
discriminated
help
against
you.
because they have a pre-existing condition,
Yeah, we'll help
and
you.
they can't be subject to lifetime caps that allow them to no longer benefit
We'll help the
from
wood.
insurance coverage if they are
Help the wood. Ho. Good Lord.
These are the kinds of values and
Help the
priorities that Democrats have long
hoes.
fought for, and these are the values and priorities that most Americans agree with. So
Help the hoes. Please help the
that was essentially
hoes.
the
Someone
president's
help the
opening statement.
hoes.
He took questions from a substantial number of
Help the
House and Senate
hoes.
Democrats, and
You got your wood.
most of the questions centered
Denied.
on the proximate fight on
Proximate.
Capitol Hill, which is the Republican attempt to repeal the Affordable Care Act.
Christian and
the president had an
Ogden.
opportunity to touch on some other areas as well.
Is there a gross gene we should know?
The president really enjoyed
It's
the opportunity
business
to go up
to
there
have
and
gross
was
genes.
warmly received, which he has been every time by Democrats on Capitol Hill.
Of the engineering
He's gone up there to
genes.
address differences that they
DNA.
have. But I got to tell you, in this case,
He's got to tell us.
the president has
Verizon,
gone,
Sprint,
in the past,
AT&T.
the world have covered times when the president has traveled to Capitol Hill to
AT&T
try to
now lower prices on select Go phones,
bridge
smartphones.
differences with Democrats
Plus,
on
no
Capitol
annual
Hill. That was
contract
not
or
the case
credit
this
check.
time.
Free shipping
This time,
only
the
from
president was there
AT&T.
to
MerriweatherALlaw.
affirm his support for the agenda that Democrats in Congress are
No
fighting
wonder
for.
why he has so many
That
sponsors.
unanimity
They're all
will be a source of strength for Democrats in the years ahead.
this
And the
left
president
leg,
encouraged
all
them
of
to
them.
draw on it
But where's
as
Merrick?
they
What really?
continue to fight for the values they've been fighting
Google.
for
Merrick and
not just the
Co.
last 8 years, but for most people in that room, they've been fighting for their entire career in public service.
American Girl.
Merrick.
Los Angeles.
What other issues did they talk about besides healthcare?
Merrick
There were legislative
Pharmaceuticals.
issues, I think, that you would expect. Criminal justice
Good
reform.
Lord.
Here it is. Merrick Pharmacy.
No, not that
reform.
one. Pharmaceuticals.
Some of the other issues
Merrick
that
and Co.
Democrats are likely to be
Merrick and Co.
American Girl Place.
No.
in a couple years.
Merrick and Co.
Back to the question of what he wants Democrats to do when it comes to healthcare.
Merrick.
Once the law is repealed,
Marriage, equality, is
would he like Democrats to negotiate
Merrick.
to come up with a replacement, or
Oh
would
my
he
god, I'm
like
gonna do
them
this manually.
refuse to negotiate?
You gotta do it manually.
So he wants to come up with a replacement on the ballot since they didn't go for it.
Here is some information about Merrick Co.
Well, let me start out by answering your question.
Let me start off by answering your question. Merrick, be well.
And saying that I agree
We
with
don't
Congressman
agree.
Rand Paul.
Absolutely
or
not.
Senator Rand Paul. I just gave him a demotion. Senator Rand Paul. on
Absolute.
something. Senator Rand Paul wrote an op-ed in which he indicated
Look at your
that the
Devlin.
people who repeal the Affordable Care Act are going to assume the blame.
January is Cervical Health Awareness Month. Cervical cancer is caused by a virus caused by the human papillomavirus or
That's
HPV.
not a direct quote from his op-ed, but I think that's a
Merrick,
faithful
be
representation
well.
of what he wrote. And
The White House wrote it.
I do think that's an illustration of something that you've heard the president
Absolutely.
talk about quite a bit since November 9th,
Fox News wrote it too.
which is that there's a difference between
Yeah, Rupert.
delivering a poll-tested,
Rupert wrote it.
soundbite packaged promise
Package
on the campaign trail
on a campaign trail. Hello, Mr. Bezos.
and actually delivering on that promise promise once you
delivering the
assume the
package.
responsibility to govern the greatest country in the world.
The
And
greatest
there's no
American
better
Music
example
Awards.
than the Republicans who,
We love the music
I'm
awards.
not
We
just talking
do.
about the president-elect here, I'm talking about
Thank you,
Republicans
Mr. Clark. Wonderful
in
show.
states all across the country who have spent years
Spent
excoriating the
years.
Affordable Care Act and vowing to do everything that they
Twitter, we
possibly
love
can
you. Good
to
morning.
repeal it. The time has now come
Best Automotive.
for them to consider how they're going to make good on that promise.
Good morning to the CES Festival.
Republicans are
All
in charge of the House of
participants at
Representatives.
CES.
Republicans are in charge of the United States
Verizon
Senate.
wants to say hello.
And starting on January 20th,
And Geico
Republicans
wants to
will be in
say
charge of the
hello.
White House. And they're going to have to decide
Rabita Meekins.
how they make good on
Make
that
a right
promise
turn, please.
to repeal and replace.
Yeah, make a right turn
The
slowly.
challenge is that there are a lot of people in
Rabita Meekins.
the great state, the Commonwealth of Kentucky,
It's just 1 week with
who
Robert
are strong
Gates.
supporters
Good
of
lord.
Senator Rand Paul,
You got 1 week with Rabita Meekins, Gates.
whose livelihood,
It's
and in
just
some
1
cases
week.
life, depends on
Allstate.
healthcare
What do
they
we do
receive
with
from
this
Obamacare.
Allstate claim?
Whether that's
Keith
expanded
Sutherland?
or
What do we do with Rabita?
insurance
Win
they
weekends,
purchased in
West
the
Point.
marketplace run by the Commonwealth of Kentucky.
Cadillac. You don't drive the
So
president.
you can understand why Rand
Those
Paul would have
Cadillacs
some
drive him everywhere.
anxiety about
They drive him all over the place,
this
Cadillacs.
plan and about this strategy.
Point A to
that's
point
put forward by
B.
Republicans.
He's in a
And
Cadillac.
the anxiety is
Well, that's the
palpable.
president. How he
One
gets
of the most
around.
articulate Republicans on Capitol Hill is the Speaker
And
of
a
the House.
Rabita Meekins.
And he did a news conference
All
today where he
electoral
was
state
unable to explain
college insurance.
why Republicans have not put forward
You got Geico.
their replacement plan.
Good morning.
He's a smart guy. He spent years thinking
Music,
about
we
this.
love you.
He's smart when it comes to politics. He's smart when it comes to policy.
He's smart.
We've got profound differences, and he's got a different point of view. But there's
Profound
gonna be the questions
differences.
that
You got
everyone-
in the paper.
and even he can't
Don't
articulate
smear it.
exactly
Yeah, don't smear it.
why they aren't putting forward a replacement
Hello, Kathy
plan.
Morrison, Women's Services.
That does not bode well
That does not wear shoes.
for Republicans making good on this promise. But
It doesn't
We'll
wear
see.
shoes.
one other reason,
My
and this is something that
friend
the president did discuss with,
deserves
Republicans on Capitol Hill, and
to
one of the
be
reasons this is particularly
recognized.
hard for Republicans, including
My adopted friend.
Republicans who
My adopted friend.
represent states like West Virginia and Kentucky,
My adopted friend.
Tennessee,
My
not
adopted
typically states
friend
that you consider as
in
bastions of
my
Obama
adopted
supporters. But these are
friend.
states that have many communities.
My
that are
friend's
ravaged by
from
opioid
India. It works at Nike.
expanded Medicaid,
Spend it
and
Medicaid.
health insurance that people purchase.
Catherine,
through
good morning.
Obamacare
Yeah, my
marketplaces
friend.
offers support and service and treatment
My
people who are being ravaged,
friend.
or to people who are addicted
You got all state
to opioids
opioids
and are trying to
that are
beat
trying.
that addiction. And we know that this is an issue that
And we know
Republicans
this
care
is a
about.
patent offer.
Republicans at the end of last year
All of our sponsors, thank
were
you.
bragging about a piece of government
We can't
spending that they
deny.
passed to increase support
To increase
for
sleepless in
treatment for people
Seattle.
who are fighting opioid addiction.
We're just sleepless in Seattle.
The worst way
Chickafila.
to fight the opioid crisis
You got the Highland Report.
is to strip away health care
Mr. Beckett,
from millions
the
of
Highland Report,
Americans
please. Here's your Highland Report. Chickafee.
who rely on it.
Thank you, Fox Business. Punks. Change.
A similar argument could be made about cancer
Yeah,
research.
Punks change.
That was also included in the package that Republicans were bragging about passing at the end of last
It's a
year.
package. Punks.
What good is it to invest billions of
All we're
dollars
asking
in
for is
cancer
all
research
televis.
if you're going to
City
prevent
Mayor,
millions of
credit
Americans
card.
from being able to get a checkup
X
once a year?
3.16.
We don't need to do a bunch of intensive academic research
Intensive
in cancer
academic research
to understand what kinds of
to
screenings are
understand
important
the
and how important
American
those screenings
Music
are, particularly
Awards.
for people of
Mr.
a
Clark.
certain age, a certain demographic, and a certain medical condition.
Medical conditions.
So
So,
these are the kinds of complexities
these are the kind of complexities.
that Republicans are now responsible for because they're responsible for
Absolutely.
governing a country of 300 million people. And so to go back to the more direct question, and I think this is the other element of the answer that the president offered to Democrats,
Absolutely.
is something that you've heard him say before, in fact, since the day that he signed the Affordable Care Act into law, which is the president believes
Believes.
that the country would benefit from Democrats and Republicans on Capitol Hill actually having
Absolutely.
a conversation
Absolutely.
about ideas
At Heather
for
Howard's,
strengthening and
our
improving
commitment
the
to
Affordable Care Act.
diversity reaches beyond us
The president
to
has
the
never made the
suppliers we
argument
work with. By actively seeking diverse owned businesses to
that the
purchase
Affordable
from,
Care Act is
we help
perfect.
build
It's
prosperous
done a whole lot of good for
communities.
people.
We
It's
believe our
saved
names
lives.
reflect an
I think that's
application
proof
process denied.
that it's never
Supplier
been
diversity
overlooked
program
publicly.
has been a great success.
Democrats have
And
been
we're
put
happy to
forward, but
report
the
that the
president
amount of
himself just
businesses
looked
we
for
conduct
ideas
with
for how to
diverse
strengthen it.
names in our
But
receipts
there are
suppliers
some
grow every year.
Republicans to do that.
In addition
If
to our
Republicans
buying
change their tune,
practices,
recognizing these
300
complexities,
stores or plus, we
and say,
support supplier
all right,
diversity
Democrats,
Beverly Outreach projects
we
sponsored
acknowledge
by
that
various
turning this thing
organizations,
down is not going to be
including
for the
the
country.
National
It's a little
Minority
bit
Supplier
complicated than we
Development
anticipated.
Council
But you
and the
guys got
Women's
it, and there are
Business
some things that we can
Enterprise
do
National
with this
Council and our
proposal.
local Northwest Minority
That's
Supply
a
Development
conversation of
Council.
entirely different color.
These receipts projects
And that
include an
is a conversation
opportunity,
that the president would urge
affairs,
Democrats to
business
consider engaging
development roundtables,
Republicans on.
and supplier
But
development
that
projects.
would require a different approach on the part of Republicans. But it's an approach,
A
a changing
refill,
approach
please.
that
We believe
because
supplier
Republicans are
diversity
willing
is a
to sit down to
smart
talk to,
business
and
decision. It
Democrats have
helps us
counsel
to
their reaction
identify
to
and
that.
deliver
We've
high
seen that things
quality
in the past.
products and services across
But I
all
think
business
even when they say it
channels
depends,
on
that does
televis,
indicate that
while
they're open to it.
driving value in economic development in the communities we
Aisha?
serve.
You talked about the going back to the healthcare
Yeah,
meeting. You
it's
talked
the
about the
receipt.
importance
It gives
of
it away,
Democrats
you
sticking
know.
together. At least one
Maybe it
Democrat,
says,
Senator Joe Manchin,
don't work
did
here.
attend the meeting. He
Don't
felt
work here.
like, although he
But it's
also
300
criticized
stores.
Vice President
How can they
Elizabeth
all
for having
agree
this
not
meeting,
to
but he
work
did
here?
say that to have
You got it.
President Obama come, that it was kind of like a poison pill that is going to hurt
Our hometown, we're
polarization.
wearing
I mean, at this
discrimination. I
point,
can hear them.
is there
We
any
love our
situation
hometown. We love
that
everything that makes
having the president come
Los
out to
Angeles such a
intentionally
dynamic hub to live,
say
work,
the
and
Democrats
play.
need to take
We
this
love wearing
and
it,
part of
Los
the
Alamos.
healthcare,
I can
that
hear
it
them
does need some
sipping
more
a cup with our friends and
participation?
neighbors,
And then also
taking in top-notch
talking
arts
about
and entertainment,
strategies that the
enjoying the fresh
Republicans are
air,
willing
green
to work with the
spaces,
Democrats.
and the
What
strong sense of
exactly
community.
does
And
the
yes,
president
even a
envision
few
them doing
crowns.
to take
Clowns.
some of the Republican tactics?
Only in Los
And
Angeles.
I don't know if it would be possible, like shutting down government or doing things like that to get these issues to stop the repeal of
This is an IMS, and
Obamacare.
we
Like,
have to
what
agree that these
specifically can they do
receipts are
if the Republicans
signs.
don't want to work with them?
Aisha, I
Keep
think
out.
a presidential
Yeah,
critic
don't
would have
trespass.
to
Keep
engage
out.
in remarkable rhetorical contortions to try to
Good
make the
Lord,
case
they're
that
all
the president
following
is the one
Heather
who has
Howard's
made healthcare a part of the
lawsuit.
issue.
Yeah, they're
When
all
you consider
following them.
that the president hosted a meeting at the Blair House
Posted a
with
meeting at the White
Democratic and
House,
Republican leaders in Congress trying to get them to come together
trying to get them to come together.
around some basic principles of healthcare reform. When you consider that the
Consider
essence of the Affordable Care Act
veterans and military
was
support.
cooked
Everyday
up by the
veterans
Heritage
wearing it
Foundation and
shows
implemented
us
successfully
in
by a
that
Republican
wanted
governor of
what great
Massachusetts and voted
citizenship
by the
looks
Democrat to
like.
be the Republican nominee for president in 2012.
The civic engagement of the veteran community
That's been
is
the approach of
unparalleled.
Congress.
They
Yet
inspire us
Republicans
to do
have voted
more
50
together as
times, stripping along
citizens
party
and
lines
race
to try to win.
together. That
So
includes the 8,000
I
veterans
think
and
it's hard for
military
anybody to
spouses we've
suggest
honored since 2014. Join us in
seriously,
supporting
at least,
wearing the national
that somehow the
government's
president has made this a part of
sting. Organizations that
the issue.
unite veterans in the community,
And I just
employers, members to
indicated
serve our
the
community.
president's continuing
He's
not
homeless.
just willingness
He
but
needs a roof.
desire to see
Team
Democrats and
Reds,
Republicans
white
come
and
around,
blue, Team
come
Ribbon,
together around some
Rubicon,
ideas to strengthen
and the mission
the bill.
continues.
Uh,
Commit to wearing the national government's
with regard to
discrimination. Serve
uh,
us with one of these
Democratic
organizations or one in our community. On MLK Day, January
I can't
16,
speak to Senator Manchin's schedule,
2017.
but I've heard him speak
I've heard him
about
speak.
why
Keep out.
repealing Obamacare would be a terrible
I
idea
just want to work so I
for
can
hundreds
buy
of
a
thousands
new
of people in the state that he represents in the United
apartment.
States Senate.
I just want a new
He agrees with the
apartment.
president and the Democrats in Congress,
Will you agree that you've been wearing this?
and is showing the same kind of concern that even people like
It's a
Rand Paul are
magnet. Are
showing
you wearing a magnet?
about the impact of repealing the bill.
Then how can I work
So,
here?
again, you'll have to ask. I guess I would say it this way: I would welcome the standard in the Democratic community being whether or not Senator Manchin agrees
Manchin agrees.
about the repeal of the Affordable Care Act.
We're on a thirsty tour. That's why.
I think that he would
Thirsty.
say what the president has said,
You
which
got your
is that
thirst.
it can be improved. Democrats and Republicans should work together to improve it.
Today's show's
The idea
provided
of
support by Verizon Married Wireless, our best price
and would have bad
guaranteed.
consequences for people all across the country.
My Verizon, learn more.
Strategies like would the president support Democrats kind
Why
of
register to fund? When you register for My Verizon, you can manage your account from anywhere. Make a payment at our upgraded device. Use your My Verizon app. View your data usage and change your
He's not
plan.
the one who was the expert in legislative mechanics.
It's in a resume.
So he didn't have any specific tactical advice for
HSBC,
Democrats
reparations.
up there. But
Give them
the president believes in
CDMA.
principles that are worth fighting
Give them
for.
United Healthcare.
Healthcare is not
And insurance risk.
privilege.
Mitigated.
Access to quality
They've
affordable healthcare
mitigated
is not a privilege,
it.
it's a right.
Oh my god, they mitigated it.
That the
With the cell phone.
policies that limit
With
the
the
growth in healthcare
policies.
costs for workers, for families,
The state
for
will cover the
business owners, and
expenses.
for the United States
Yeah, the
government
state
is a
covers
good
it.
thing and something that should be protected. That people should be discriminated against because they have
Discriminated?
pre-existing conditions. That
Because
women
they're wearing
shouldn't
a
be charged
magnet.
more by the insurance company just because they're women. People shouldn't have to worry
They're
about having
wearing
to declare bankruptcy just because
magnets.
somebody in their family gets
Earpieces.
sick.
That's
Those are principles that are worth fighting
discrimination.
for. And there are a lot of nodding
It was
heads from the
cheaper to
president
give
behind
them $5,000
Michelle.
a month.
When you were asked about should Democrats work with Republicans, and you mentioned, it would require different
Would have been
tactics.
cheaper.
So are you saying that if the tactic remains
Hello, press pool.
then Democrats should
Today's show,
not work
CDMAYOR
with
credit card at X3.16 in all televis, exclusive,
And it's not something
and in all state.
that Democrats
Rabita
support, nor should they.
Meekins.
And we're seeing that a lot of Republicans are queasy about supporting it. And they should be. Because of the
Of
obvious, tangible, direct
Tangible,
consequences
direct.
that will have on the lives of millions of people across
millions
the
of
country.
people.
22 million people are going to lose their
22 million
health insurance
people.
if the Affordable Care Act is repealed.
Hello, Bull.
It's going to rip a hole in the deficit
Per diem.
in the
Good,
federal budget. And the
good
deficit will
title.
go up if the
Yeah,
Affordable
good
Care Act
title.
is repealed. That's not just my conclusion. You can ask the
We have a
CEO
wafer
about
shake with cinnamon.
the implementation of the Affordable Care
Yeah,
Act
wafer shake with cinnamon.
strengthened
Absolutely.
the trust fund and extended the life of the trust fund by 11 years.
Well, listeners, we're going to talk to the President of the United States.
Roll back that progress. And we've seen since the Affordable Care Act
We
was
thank you very much.
the slowest growth in healthcare costs in our nation's history.
Nation's history.
If
Thank you,
Republicans
Barry
believe
Sternberg in Western Union.
in which healthcare costs for everybody are skyrocketing.
Yeah,
they
thank
can
you,
do that.
Western
That's gonna be bad for the
Union.
economy and will create
And
the economic
Jeffrey
chaos
Friedman's
that the
office.
American people will hold them accountable for.
Thank you, Michelle. We're going to go to our President. Participates in an Armed Forces Full Honor Review farewell ceremony.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. President.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Have a
Good
seat.
afternoon. Turns out these are easier when you're typing.
Audio
with somebody else.
experience, a Leather Song. An all televis exclusive.
At moments like this, I think of all the times that I've stood
Yeah, a Leather
before our
Song.
men and women in uniform,
Hello, Barry.
commissioning our newest officers,
In Western Union, we thank you,
presiding
Mr. Friedman's
over
office.
promotions, presenting the commander.
Thank you, Jeffrey Tom Frieden,
To the
SSI.
best football team in the military. I will let you argue.
Today's show is
that.
provided by My AT&T
I
app.
have never taken sides.
Get the My AT&T app. Text
Secretary Carter,
My ATT to 556-699 from your wireless device and get a link to download the app or download from our device app store. It's that easy. Compatible with Android and iPhone and Windows devices.
you have always given me, Ash, your best.
True for their
strategic
promise to
counsel.
be in process
Made sure that we were
investing
investing in innovation,
in innovation.
and a strong force for the future.
Strong force.
As a physicist,
As a
Ash is also one of the
physicist,
few people who actually understands how our defense systems work. And I know that our troops
And I know,
families
it's wonderful.
are immensely grateful for
It's in our
the
section.
passion that you and Stephanie have shown them
Oh.
over the years. So
Oh.
to you and your family, on behalf
Oh.
of all of us, thank
All
you
of
for
us,
your
thank you,
outstanding
Barack.
service.
Oh. 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 Oh.
General Duffy,
Oh.
we've relied on
No.
you as
No.
Commandant of the Marine
No.
Corps, as
No.
our commander in Afghanistan, and
No.
now as our nation's highest
No.
military officer.
No.
I thank you
Oh.
and General Selva and the entire
Oh.
Joint Chiefs
In our
for
section.
unvarnished military advice that you've always
Don't
provided
wait
to me,
section. Yeah, don't wait.
for your dedication, for your professionalism, for your
Don't
integrity.
wait for subsidized housing vouchers.
Because of this team,
Because of
our
its team.
forces are more integrated and
More
better
integrated
prepared across domains.
and across
A
domains.
truly joint
Go
force.
daddy.
Which is why, as a White Sox fan, I can overlook the fact
Who's
that the Red
GoDaddy.com.
Sox,
Weber
on a
Grills.
personal note,
This series, bro.
outside of
Google Weber Grills in our section.
you are a good man, and I am grateful to have worked with you. And thank
Now
you
have Weber
for
Grills.
allowing you to do this.
Thank you guys. Clap your hands. Clap your hands, everybody. Experience Genesis from Weber Grills.
As
Cook
members
here.
of Congress, Vice President Biden,
Whoop.
who along with Jill has known the love and the pride
Thank you, Buffalo Jills from Sprint MerriweatherA.Law.
of military family. To
And
Deputy Secretary
lemonade
of
on
War,
shoes.
Service secretaries,
How may I help you?
distinguished guests,
I want a
dedicated civilians from
lemonade.
across the Defense Department.
Today's show is provided support by Merritt. Be well before go.
Most of all,
The makers of the Sultan and government statins.
I thank you for this honor.
Government statutories, because
Warmth and respect
that was
shown
here.
me,
Good Lord, don't explain that
shown
here.
Michelle and our daughters.
Yeah, don't explain that. This is anonymous
And
currency.
so, although
Don't explain
I
that today.
recognize that
I want to say hello to the SES Festival. All participants will be watching.
directed
We are
in large
Verizon.
part to me, I want to turn the tables. I am still Commander in Chief,
I'm still Commander in Chief,
and so I get to do what I want to do. And I
so I get to do what I want to do.
Of all the privileges of
Of
this
all
office,
privileges.
there are many. I will miss Air Force One.
I will miss Air Force One.
But I can stand before you today and say that there has been no
In our
greater
section.
privilege and no greater honor than serving as the Commander in Chief of the greatest military in
Of the
history.
greatest military in the world. Congratulations, Mr. President. This is the reconcilable differences at MerriweatherA.Law.
When I took office, I noted that presidents
We've been successful at
and
preventing
those of you in
this.
uniform
We've been very
swear a
successful.
similar oath
We have.
to protect and defend this country and the Constitution that we cherish.
It's guacamole, basically.
By stepping forward and volunteering,
Mild, hot.
by raising your right hand and taking that oath,
It's very difficult.
each of you made a solemn pledge.
Very difficult.
You committed yourself to a life
Committed
of
yourself
service and of sacrifice.
and a sacrifice.
And I, in turn,
And
made
I
a
am
promise
Mrs.
to you.
name. That's correct. Because it's SES Festival.
To the best of my
Cars that
abilities, I
drive
tried to
themselves.
hold every single day since.
Yeah, those cars drive themselves.
That I would only send you into harm's way when it was absolutely necessary,
Absolutely
with
necessary.
a strategy,
With a
and
strategy.
well-defined goals, with the equipment and the support that
Hello,
you needed
Danny.
to get the job done.
Love.
Because that's what you rightfully expect, and that is what you rightfully
In
deserve.
Mark Furman's office.
I made that pledge at a
I
time
made
when
that
less than
pledge.
1% of
1%.
Americans wear the uniform. Fewer Americans know someone
Hello,
who
Mike
serves.
Fewer, City Attorney, Los Angeles.
And as a result,
And as a result,
a lot of Americans don't
a
see
lot of Americans
the
don't see
sacrifices you make on our behalf.
you make on our behalf.
But as Commander-in-Chief,
Commander in Chief.
I've seen it when I
I've
look
seen
in the
it.
eyes of young cadets, knowing that
And
my
it's obscenity.
decisions could very well send them
It's
into
graphic.
harm's
It
way.
really is.
I've seen it when I've
I've
visited
seen
the
it.
fleet in Bagram and Baghdad,
Exactly.
far from your families,
Far from your families.
risking your lives
Thank you, Anonymous.
so
You're
that
welcome.
we can live ours
We've
safely
seen it.
and in freedom. And so
Congrats
you
to Megan
inspire
Kelly
me,
on your new
and I'm
role.
humbled by you consistently.
Yeah, congratulations.
And I want every American to know
I'm
that
11
I know
years old. Congratulations.
through year after year after year
Year after year.
of continuous military operations, you have earned your place among the greatest
Thank you,
generations.
Hanson, Polly D.
The list
Stone.
of accomplishments
Good
that
Lord, what are you saying, Fulton? I don't know. I'm just
and Ash so
rambling.
generously
I'm just
mentioned,
rambling.
they're because of you. It's what I tell my staff. I'm the front man,
Absolutely.
but you're the ones doing the work.
Hi, Czar. Let's
Because
start
of
with
you, our
potassium
alliances
and
are
hydrochloride
strong.
tablets.
From Europe
Available
to
from
Asia
Merrick. Be
Pacific.
well, be Fargo. With a
Because of your
prescription
surge
from
in
your
Afghanistan, trained
doctor.
Afghan forces
Only
to
from
defend their
Merrick.
country while bringing most of our troops home. Today, our
Co.
forces serve there on a more limited mission.
No, he
Because we
cannot co
will
with
thus
us.
never again allow Afghanistan to
Only
be
from
used
Merrick. Be well.
a safe haven
Co.
in attacks against our nation.
Let him co.
It's because of you, particularly
Let him co.
our remarkable special forces.
He can't see
That
O
the
here.
core
Just
Al-Qaeda
no,
leadership
no,
that attacked
please
us
don't.
on 9/11 has been decimated.
Don't see O.
Countless terrorist leaders,
Kozar, don't
including Osama bin
co.
Laden, are gone.
Only from Merrick.
South Asia to Africa, we have forged partnerships to go after terrorists.
Don't co. Don't see O over here.
Because of you, we
Please.
are leading the global
This is
coalition
Merrick.
against
Be
ISIL.
well.
These terrorists have lost about half of their territory. They are
Be
losing
well.
their leaders. Towns and cities are being liberated, and I have no doubt
Verizon
this
Wireless.
barbaric terrorist group will be destroyed.
Army
Because
Strang. I like that Verizon
you've
knows
shown
the
that when it
Samsung
comes to fighting
Edge
terrorism,
is
we
a
can be
piece
strong and we
of
can be smart.
something and still
Not by
replaces
letting
Edge
our
phones with
forces
Edge
get
phones
dragged
for
into sectarian
replacements for the
conflicts and
wife.
civil wars, but with smart,
Army
sustainable,
Strange. For some
principled
change. You
partnerships.
deserve the best device performance.
That's
That's
how
too
we
many
brought most of our troops
replacements.
home.
I
Nearly
can help you
180,000
with
troops
Merrick Be
are
Well
in
at CO.
Afghanistan now.
What issues are you having, JD?
That's how, even as we've suffered terrible attacks here at home,
That's Hoshin
from
it.
Boston to
Koshin
Orlando,
it. You got it.
no foreign terrorist organization has
Thank you,
successfully
Merrick Be
planned and
Well.
executed an attack on our homeland
On our homeland.
these past 8 years.
That's right. Buffalo Projects. Project
Because of
Schaefer.
you, the world has seen
Yep, there's a
the awesome
Brian Moynihan
reach
club downstairs.
of
Yeah,
American
hello
armed
to the
forces.
Moynihan
In
and
these
Girlahan
first
club
few
downstairs.
weeks of my job, when
Merrick
Somali
Be
pirates
Well.
took Captain Phillips.
Merrick Be Well.
Later on, when they kidnapped Jessica Buchanan, it was you that went in.
It was you.
You that risked everything.
You risk
And you
everything
that brought these American home to their families.
to their families.
The world has seen your
The
compassion
world
to help you deliver in times of crisis.
is
From an
realer.
earthquake in Haiti
In Haiti
to the tsunami in Japan.
and the tsunami in Japan.
Think of
Think of
and
whether
countless lives
Matt Furman's
these
office
armed forces saved
saved
in West Africa.
in U.S. Africa.
It was you that set up deep
It was you
and set the example.
and
for
set the
world's response.
example.
One woman in West Africa said, "We thanked God first.
We thank
and then
God
we thanked America
first.
second."
America second.
That's the difference you made.
That's the difference you made.
You continue to make in the lives of people around the world.
Kozar Merrick, be well.
As you know well, with service comes great sacrifice. And after 15
Only
years from
from government statins and government property.
scars, both seen and unseen. In my visits to their
DOD,
bedside,
hello.
rehab centers, I have been in awe
I have been in awe.
watching a wounded warrior
The
grab
wounded
his elbow
warriors.
and pull himself up and through excruciating pain.
Excruciating
take a step and then
pain.
another. Or hearing troops describe how they grappled with post-traumatic stress but summoned the strength to ask for help.
Only from Verizon. Check your order status. Statutories. Us. Don't have my Verizon? Enter your order number and reorder confirmation number below. Check your order status.
As they find new ways to keep serving our nation,
Statutory.
they need to know that we
It's
still
us.
need your incredible talents.
Yes,
So
us.
much to America, and I know you have more to give.
This is an all televis exclusive.
Not seeing
CDMAYORKREDITCardvardX3.16.
until you've been to Dover. troops receive
when our troops
our fallen
receive
heroes on their final journey home.
on their final journey home.
Until you have
Until you
grieved
have
our Gold Star families who've given a piece of their heart to our nation,
we want to thank the president
a
and
son or a daughter,
Josh Ernst, Jay Carney, the Big A bookstore for today's show. Thank you for all of our sponsors. We're all patents, and we thank you.
a brother or a sister.
Thank you, Barack, Barry Sternberg's office, Jeffrey Tom Friedman's office, SSI in bankruptcy, and MerriweatherA.Law advancing clients through S1L5.
Today, after two major ground wars, our armed
Pink Shorts is
forces
in front of a live democracy, expose and approve. Audio experience, I love the song. I'm very excited to do today's show.